Good morning and welcome you all. The aim of this one-week faculty development program on sparking collaborative learning online Let's Go Digital, organized by IQAC of Sri Ayyappa College for Women in collaboration with UGC HRDC, University of Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, is to create awareness among faculty members from higher education institutions about various e-learning technologies. At present, the umbrella of education and technology incorporates varieties of engaging online environments and fields. In this program, the main objective is to sensitize the participants to train them to design, develop, and deliver such courses in their respective domain area of knowledge. The sub-themes of this one-week faculty development program are online communication, e-content development, tools for online teaching, virtual classroom, online assessment and evaluation, management of learning through online teaching. With practical sessions and practice of various digital platforms, you will be in position to integrate technology with teaching pedagogy. The higher education institution will also get benefits by the knowledge of digitally equipped faculty members in achieving its aims. This faculty development program will certainly help in enhancement of professional development of teachers, which is going to influence the students' learning indirectly. The participants will be learning through collaborative learning experience with theoretical and hands-on session covering the various aspects of e-learning technology. The knowledge and competency to use various learning management system will equip the faculty members in designing, developing, and delivering their own online courses. Other e-learning technologies will help the teachers in long run to deliver online sessions and sharing the knowledge over networks. Thank you. Now I move on the formal session of inauguration. I invite Dr. K. Meena, IQAC coordinator of Sri Ayyappa College for Women, to welcome each and everyone. Welcome, ma'am. Meena, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, good morning to all of you who are virtually connected here. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you to one-week faculty development program on sparking collaborative learning online, organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Sri Ayyappa College for Women in collaboration with Staff Academic College, Thiruvananthapuram. Worldwide, research has shown that ICT can lead to an improved student learning and better teaching methods. An increase in the use of ICT in education with integrating technology to the curriculum has a significant and positive impact on students' achievement. In today's world, where social distancing and lockdowns have become a new norm, we have to learn to adapt with the times and the new world we have to live in. To implement the new teaching methodology, teachers have to be trained. Teachers have to work hard in preparing videos, learning to make presentations, and learning to teach through unfamiliar media. We as teachers can understand the challenges we face to make the online teaching seamless and enriching experience. This is a new beginning for all of us, and we would like to make it as effective, as interesting as we can. We believe that we raise a generation breaking barriers in terms of learning through new media, learning at home, learning at new level altogether. Hence, no doubt, this program is the need of the hour. It's my proud privilege to welcome Dr. S.V. Sudhir, Director UGC, HRDC, Academic Staff College, University of Kerala. He has authored and edited 13 books. He has visited 155 institutions in India as chairperson and member coordinator of NAAC peer team. I thank you, sir, for extending your support for conducting this online faculty development program. Impact of this program has increased manifold only due to the collaboration with Academic Staff College, Karyavata. Next, I welcome our resource person, Dr. Nasir Ali, Assistant Professor, Aligarh Muslim University Center, Malappuram, Kerala. He started his career at St. Xavier's International High School Junior College at Maharashtra, and then he elevated his position as Assistant Professor in the Department of Education, Aligarh Muslim University Center, Malappuram, Kerala. He is an author as well as a trainer in education technology. Sir, we are looking forward to a fruitful one-week course. I welcome all the participants and I hope you will have a wonderful and informative experience. Last but not the least, let me congratulate Dr. S.S. Sandhya of Department of Mathematics and Dr. M.R. Meera, Department of Physics of Sri Ayyappa College for Women for arranging this one-week faculty development program. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It's my privilege to request our principal, Dr. K. Vijayasree, ma'am, for the presidential address. Welcome, ma'am. Vijayasree, madam. Yes.
May I audible?
Yeah. Tell me, ma'am.
Namaste to all dear participants. Hearty welcome to all to this one-week FDP titled Sparkling Collaborative Learning Online. Let's Go Digital, organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cells or College in collaboration with UGC HRDC University of Kerala. Education for is the mantra that sweeps across the world. Broadly speaking, Education for is a school of thought that encourages non-traditional way of teaching. With the advent of internet and World Wide Web, access to information has become very easy and the entire world is moving towards digitization. 21st century students learn in a global classroom and not necessarily within four walls. They are more inclined to find information by accessing the internet through mobile phones and computers. The advancement in technology and the plethora of powerful and innovative digital devices and tools have a great potential to improve educational outcomes. Teachers are no longer considered the experts. They are moving into the role of facilitator, guide on the side instead of sage on the stage. Therefore, educators must understand that the use of digital content and devices will improve teaching and learning and thus enhance educational opportunities and benefit the millennials. The objectives of this program is to facilitate a digital transition in the field of education. Through this program, a brief significance of e-content development, learning management system, online classrooms, etc. are discussed over a week. A virtual classroom is a scheduled online teacher-led training session where teachers and learners interact together. Another internet-assisted revolution in the field of education is e-content development, which requires huge amount of creativity both at information levels and as well as the technology level. It includes all kinds of content created and delivered through various electronic media, from old media such as print and radio to the increasingly sophisticated electronic tools with the combination of sounds, images, and text. A learning management system is an online platform that enables the delivery of materials, resources, tools, and activities developed by teachers to students both in and out of the classroom environment. It allows teachers to offer tailored instructions that can be accessed by students anytime, anywhere without geographical constraints. We know that the job of a teacher is not yet complete. In order to complete the cycle, the teachers need to know the methods of online evaluation of the student performance. This program will also discuss the tools for online assessment and evaluation. I'm sure that after the successful completion of this program, participants feel empowered and be better at their jobs, providing the knowledge and skills to cater to the present-day learners and their learning styles, which in turn improves student learning outcome. Dear participants, let me make you remember the words of Malcolm X. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prefer for it today. Good luck to all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. We are proud to collaborate with UGC HRDC, University of Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. This HRDC has been a school, college, a home, and a university for many of our teachers. We do visit there for our courses and return back with happiness and a grade. We have here the inaugural address of the most simple and exemplary director, sir, Dr. K.V. Sudhi, sir. Sir, please. Nasir Ali, sir, please. Play the video. Sudhi, sir.
Dear friends, this time HRDC University of Kerala is collaborating with Sri Ayyappa College, Nagarkovil for this program. Now, many programs are being conducted online. This is to give awareness to the teachers regarding how to conduct online classes, which is needed now. And we would like to say that this program will in fact strengthen the teachers and make them capable to conduct online classes, primarily to develop the content, then later on at the stage when to deliver the content, and the e-communications. And in colleges, learning management system can be made very strong through this learning activity. So as a partner of this program, we hope that the participants who are here listening to this program will get a very good exposure relating to the digital platforms available, and will be able to communicate through online devices. And the need of this time can be satisfied by all the teachers who are participating in this program. We wish all the teachers, the organizers, and the resource person, Sri Nasir Ali, all wishes for this program. And I would like to formally inaugurate this program also. Thank you all. Good wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. Now I invite Dr. S. Sandhya, the coordinator of this online 1 week of faculty development program. Welcome you, ma'am, to propose vote of thanks. Sandhya, ma'am, please welcome.
Good morning to all. I am happy to propose vote of thanks to the inaugural section of FDP on sparkling collaborative learning online. Let's go digital. In collaboration with UGC HRDC, University of Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. First of all, I thank the management, principal, Dr. K.V. Jayashree ma'am, and IQAC coordinator, Dr. Meena ma'am, for permitting us to organize such a FDP. And Meena ma'am and Jayashree ma'am is a wonderful presidential address, address about the program. And I wholeheartedly thank both of you, ma'am. When we request for collaboration from UGC HRDC, the director accepted our request and permit us to conduct the program in collaboration with UGC HRDC. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Deep sir and
Sir?
Okay. Yeah.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now, Sandhya ma'am had some network issues from the very beginning, and she's not
Now
available.
Now I invite Dr. Nasir Ali, sir, who is going to handle this faculty development program and familiarize with all with the ICT tools to help us to face the digital era. Welcome, you, sir. Welcome.
Okay. Thank you very much. Dear Dr. M.R. Meera, who materialized this program and who took initiation for took all her efforts for making this a reality, and Dr. K. Meena, who is the IQAC coordinator of Sri Ayyappa College for Women, and Dr. K.V. Jayashree, who has strengthened all the efforts of IQAC team members by granting her supports to them. And Dr. KV Sudhir sir, the UGC, the director of UGC HRDC, and it's second time I'm collaborating with the UGC. I'm presenting in a program where UGC HRDC of University of Kerala is a partner of the host. And Dr. S.S. Sandhya, who participated and who worked for working for this program. I'm grateful to you all for inviting me here as a resource person, and for giving me a wonderful chance to learn with participants around 260 members. And I would like to congratulate all the participants in the very beginning for joining such a wonderful program. And I'll be promising all my supports to you during this 1 week and even thereafter for making our learning sessions beneficial for you and for me also. And I would request you all to raise your queries. Okay, please don't be hesitated to ask queries. If you do not ask me the queries, what happened? The effectiveness of the program will not be there, and again I cannot learn anything out of this program. I'll simply be a presenter only. I don't want to be a presenter. In fact, I want to be a co-learner of this by this program. Thank you very much. We'll enter to the session. And before entering to the